How solar eclipses works in a flat Earth. Solar and lunar eclipses is a phenomenon that is celestial, involving luminaries and their regular interactions. Solar eclipses occur during new moon phase, in the crossing point of the ecliptic, which always aligns with our local sun. This happens minimum 4 times per solar year, depending on its exact altitude, even with your specific location of hemisphere. Sometimes produce the partial, the annular, and the total eclipses. It's impossible that it is an Earth shadow, because on this video, the shadow takes turns. Does Earth take turns too? The Earth ball cannot do the right turn. The sun and moon rotates like a clock within our firmament, and that's with different cycle throughout the year. During solar eclipses, new moon conjunction directly crosses the sun. That will show you the blackout effect. During lunar eclipses, our full moon's opposition of the sun causes the shadow red tint. The darkening area of the moon is the Earth shadow, and why the shadow appearing on the other side? And if the sun being blocked by the curvature of the Earth, shadow should have been on the lower part, right? And the light from sun or the lit part of our moon should have been at the top. I mean, make it make sense with a globe. And this is what we call the selenial eclipse. Impossible in the globe Earth, and only works well with a flat Earth. You sure the moon that is 2,000 miles wide, only casting a 70-mile shadow, especially on that particular area, and moon casting smaller shadow on Earth. When you have a flashlight at your home, I'm sure you have, play it around with your shadow on the wall. I mean, if that makes sense to you. I mean, no one wants to put time conceptualizing everything, or just spend time learning and gaining something like we just follow the norm. It's not fun. During a total eclipse, we observed a blackout effect, especially over the sun. Is it possible that we are looking a separate celestial body, like the black sun, for example? Because local sun emits light, and the black sun emits darkness. Earth is flat, stationary, with 3 celestial body intact, which is the sun and moon, 2 light given by God to us, and along with its stars, to determine time, year, and months. This photo is a global war strategy map of 1943 during the World War II. A map out distances from city to city of the entire Earth, and actual air routes during the World War II, and the only routes that actually works up till today. Those long flights that you had jet lags on are not it. I mean, do you believe the creator, or do you believe its creation? Always remember, our knowledge is limited. Our creator's knowledge is infinite. Assalamu alaikum.